Assalamu alaikum grade 3 children. Today in this video we are going to start chapter number 3 and the name of the lesson is the sweet porridge. Children, do you know what is the meaning of porridge? Porridge, it is one of the, you can say it is a eatable things. You can say it is a form of a what is that? A form of a cereal, and we can boil in water, and otherwise in the milk also we can boil it. See children, we are eating chapati, it is made up of wheat. We are eating biryani, it is made up of rice. So porridge, it is a one kind of a grain only, which is cooked in water or in the milk. It is very tasty food, tasty meal, and it gives us energy. It fills up. It is very healthy in the, especially in the breakfast. During the breakfast, if you will have the porridge, so it will give the energy for whole day. Then children, they fill the stomach. So these are the benefits of porridge. And here the name of the lesson is sweet porridge. In this story, children, one of the girl and her mother is there, and girl's name is Anna. Anna and her mother, this is the story of these two persons. They were very kind and they were generous. So, come here, open your page number children, 43, and the name of the lesson, the sweet porridge. On this page children, the activity is given. We will do this activity in the class. Come on the page number 44. Here on this page children, the 5 words are given with their meanings. See, number 1 is presented. What is the presented means? It is gifted. Gifted something. हम किसी के बर्थडे में जाते हैं, if we are going to the wedding, we take what? Present लेकर जाते हैं ना. So that is a gifted things. हम किसी को gift करते हैं. Then children, porridge. Just now I said porridge, what it is? A form of cereal boiled in water or milk. Here overflowing. Overflow होना मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा भर के नीचे गिर जाना. अगर पानी हम लोग भर रहे हैं जग में से और पानी जो अगर नीचे हो रहा है, दैट मीन्स इट इज ओवरफ्लोइंग. या बकेट हमने अपने टैप के नीचे लगा दी है, एंड इफ इट इज फिल्ड एंड द वाटर इज गोइंग ऑन एंड ऑन ओनली डाउनवर्ड्स, तो इट इज नोन एज ओवरफ्लोइंग. ओवरफ्लोइंग मीन्स फ्लोइंग ओवर द edge. Then here hurriedly means what? Quickly, जल्दी में रहते हैं. Then generous, यानी जो दूसरों को अपनी चीजें दे देता है वो होता है generous. दे देता मतलब as a gift, as a help, तो उसको कहते हैं generous. Children, here in this story on the page number 45, teacher will read for you the sweet porridge. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Anna. She lived with her mother. They were very poor and did not have anything to eat. They survived by eating fruits from the forest. However, Anna was a good child and was always kind and helpful to everyone. So here in this first para, it is the introduction of Anna. She was a little girl and she was staying with her mother. Anna was very good girl. She was good child. She was helpful. She was kind. But they were very poor children. They even they don't have food to eat also. So they were just taking the fruits from the forest and survived on the fruits only. Survived करना यानी जिंदा रहते थे, वही खा के उन लोगों का काम चल रहा था. One day, what happens? One day, while Anna was in the forest collecting fruits, she met an old woman. This woman had special powers and knew that Anna was sad and wanted food for herself and her mother. She also knew that Anna was a kind girl and wanted to reward her. So one day what happened, when Anna was collecting fruits from the forest, she met an old woman. But that old woman, she had some special powers. जो कोई ऐसा होता है, it is in the story only, children, it is not in the real life, it is in the story only. कि उनके पास पावर्स होते हैं, कुछ मैजिक्स होता है, वो लोगों को दे देते हैं, एंड देन इट वाज जैसा कि अलादीन का चिराग, इन दैट यू हैव सीन दैट लैम्प वाज देयर, अलादीन लैम्प. तो बच्चों, सो चिल्ड्रन, हियर वी विल सी दैट this girl, no, she met an old woman and she was not an ordinary woman. She was some special one who had some magic. So she knew that this girl is very kind and should give something to this girl. She wanted to give or presented something. So here children, see on the page number 46 and 47 we will do in the next class. By the time children, here on page number 44, what the 5 words are given, this is your HW children. These 5 words you have to write in your notebook, that is rough book, or you made some new notebook. Write these words with meaning and learn them. Not only to write, you have to learn them and try to understand them. If you don't understand that, you can ask me in the tomorrow's session. Assalamu alaikum.